So welcome back to the channel everybody, and this is going to be my review of the Q-mount mobile phone holder, which you can fit on your motorcycle or your bicycle if you so wish. So without further ado, we're going to jump on Big Orange here, and I'm going to talk you through it. So roll the video. Let's get into this video then. It's a bit windy, so I apologise now if I'm getting a bit of wind noise coming through. So this is the Q-mount. Where did I see this, you say, Jim? Well, I was going through my Instagram feed, and as you know, you get loads of adverts, didn't you? And once and for all, this one come up. So I thought I'll give it a go. I'll put the price up on the screen, how much it cost me. Now I've gone for the basic model. So you can only have it, as far as I know, in landscape mode. There is another one with a different connector, and you can turn the actual mount around, so you can have it in portrait mode if you so wish. Now I was a bit dubious. I've had a few phone mounts in the past. If you've ever watched any of my videos, I normally have one up here where I've got the GoPro at the minute, the session, and that's what I've done is I bought a mount that you can use for like doing selfies with your phone. So and it's not ideal, it's up there, it's wobbling around. I'm always worried that it's gonna fall off the bike, and I've had that happen on 2 occasions with different phone mounts that I've bought off of eBay, where it's falling off the bike. So my phone, I've got an Oppo 53, it's quite a large phone, and especially with I've got like the hardened case on it, ballistic case. Now this just about fits in that, so from there to there you're talking, what's that, 7 inches I think it is, 6 inches, woo, that's what she said. And yeah, it just fits in there just nicely, and what you have to do is just push those in at either end, and it's nice and snug. So it arrived today. I'll put up on the screen here what it came with. So it didn't come with any instructions, because it's pretty noddy. If you don't know how to fit one of these, then you're probably one of these people that can't breathe and blink at the same time. So it's yeah, it came with that, and there was just 2 parts in it. It's obviously the part that you connect to your handlebar, and this part, the cradle, that you put your telephone in, your mobile phone in. And it is as simple as that. It's easy to fit. It just goes on. It's like a ratchet system on the back there, which is a bit similar to I would say you know, your plastic cuff type scenario. So fits on there nicely. It's quite sturdy. It's not moving around. So yeah, so far seems quite good. Obviously I've only got it, so this is just an initial unboxing and an initial review of it. The only thing that I could possibly see so far that could be an issue with it is the material that it's made out of, the plastics. Now as you know, if you ride your bike all year round, if you're leaving this out in the winter and then it's out in the sun as well, that could make the plastic bristle. And that is the only thing at the minute that I can see that might be an issue. So far, everything else on it has been fine. It doesn't feel sturdy when you're putting it on, but when it's actually connected, it is. It's not moving around. It's yeah, it looks pretty good. So we shall see. Long-term review to come. And on that note, I think I'm going to end this video here. So like I always say with my videos, if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, smash the red subscribe button. And if you are a subscriber, hit the notification bell. That way, every time this screamer uploads a video, you will get notified. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. So welcome back to the channel everybody, and I'm in a lay-by, as you can see, cancel all of that. So welcome back to the channel everybody, and this is going to be my review of the Q-mount phone holder for your motorcycle stroke bicycle. So sit back, relax, and watch the video, and I don't know what I'm saying, let's talk shit, cancel that.